Good morning and welcome to Year 4 Maths with me, Miss Dowley. I'm just going to minimise me. So let's start by writing the short date and underlining, and the learning objective. I can count forwards to 50 in steps of 2 and underlining. So we're going to practice our counting. Can you count in steps of 1 to 50? Can you count backwards from 50 to 0? Can you count in steps of 10 from 0 to 50? Can you count backwards in steps of 10 from 50 to 0? Pause whilst you have a try. So let's try counting forwards and backwards from any number. So start at 6 and count forwards to 33. Start at 21 and count backwards to 3. Start at 39 and count forwards to 50. Start at 40 and count backwards to 18. Start at 34 and count backwards to 1. Pause whilst you have a try. Remember to keep practicing until you feel confident counting forwards and backwards from any number in steps of 1. So we're going to practice our tens. So start at 0 and count in steps of 10 to 50. Start at 50 and count backwards to 0. Start at 20 and count forwards to 50. Start at 40 and count backwards to 10. Start at 30 and count forwards to 50. Start at 30 and count backwards to 0. Pause whilst you try. And again, keep practicing this until you feel confident counting in steps of 10, and try without the number square. Today we're going to count in steps of 2 from 0 to 50. And if you remember, this one doesn't have 0 in, so I'm just going to write 0 there for us. Remember to point to each number as you count and to colour it in. So have a try first. So what numbers did you say? Let's have a try at doing this together. So we've got 0 here, so we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Can you see any patterns with the numbers you have coloured in? Keep practicing until you feel confident counting forwards in steps of 2. So did you have a pattern like below? When we count in steps of 2 from 0, each number we say is an even number. So all of these numbers coloured in are even numbers. The numbers that are not coloured in are called odd numbers. Keep practicing counting in steps of 2 until you feel confident counting forwards. Now we're going to try counting forwards in steps of 2 from other even numbers. So start at 10 and count forwards in 2s to 40. Start at 4 and count forwards in 2s to 36. Start at 28 and count forwards in 2s to 50. Start at 32 and count forwards in 2s to 48. Start at 18 and count forward in 2s to 44. Pause whilst you have a try. And remember, keep practicing. Try it with and then without the number square. So have a try at this. You need to fill in the numbers. They go in steps of 2, and there are 3 different pathways. Try some counting games. So Twinkle has lots of lovely resources at the moment for free. Top Marks has some good counting games. We've tried those before, and Splashlearn has some good counting games. Thank you.